In this video, I'll show you how to put pictures on TikTok comments. It's going to be a full guide video, so make sure you watch what I'm going to show you in this video. This video is only for educational purposes only. So open up your TikTok. I'm going to open up one of my posts. So if I go to the comment section, you can see I've added, I think, 2 pictures here to show you that this actually goes well once you do the right thing as supposed. So at first, you need to come with the intention of the picture you want to add here on the comment section. So if you look down, you're going to be able to see the picture icon. So if you click on it, you're going to be able to select a picture here, and you can be able to add it here on your TikTok comment section. You can also do that as well if you want to comment on your favorite artist post or pictures or videos here on TikTok. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found this video helpful. I will see you on the next video.